Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this study, a 3D design model was proposed with automated system for account and push A4 size of paper box by using Omron CX1 programmable logic controller, which is PLC device. The machine operates under mechatronic system to automate counting, stacking and pushing process. Counting system is mainly used for manufacturing operation in industry as to determine the productivity of the production line. Automatic machine require fast and efficient process without human effort.
For the design of this machine, conveyor is used as the main handling mechanism. First, conveyor will navigate paper under photoelectric sensor. The photoelectric sensor will detect and count the paper passing through. Next, second conveyor will push the paper to next station. Emergency switch is wired to enable operator to stop the machine immediately if problem occur. For the programming, as soon as flip button was flipped to on and start button was pushed, the DC motor for conveyor 1 and photoelectric sensor will be activated. The photoelectric sensor will trigger the internal counter of CP1E and start the countdown until 0. For this example, we will only use 2 for the countdown to save some time, of course. When countdown was over, an internal timer will be triggered, pausing conveyor 1 DC motor and enabling conveyor 2 DC motor. This timer will provide enough time for conveyor 2 to transport paper to next station, while preventing new paper from piling up during the process. After the timer runs out, the internal counter will be reset to 0 and the same process will repeat again in a loop.
Next, I will explain about the recommendation of this project. Okay, during handling and making the model prototyping for this project, there are many constraints and problems that we have faced. So, for recommendation to solve all this problem is applied to the current situation is to put in place an appropriate mechanism to carry the paper before visiting the following situation. In every time when the method is running as was common with non-restriction and overuse of your time there. This we can save our time to prevent the idle time problem. Next, for cost, as we know, by using PLC is very expensive. So to settle this problem, we can use another solution like maybe we can use Arduino application which is more better, cheaper than the PLC using. Next, I will explain about the conclusion of this project. The result of the prototype design was able to fully automate the counting and push system. The machine was done to count paper box with program set value before it transfers to next station by using another conveyor pipe. Paper box count and push not only focus on the planning and also the prototype model, but these also calculate the cost-related factors that are relevant to the function of the components that are used. Last but not least, during the post-processing process later, the response or effect from the assembly of the prototype model is additionally taken into consideration to judge the views of all parties on the study that has been made.